Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make money with TradingView. First, understand that TradingView provides advanced charting and analysis tools essential for identifying market trends. You can use these features to spot potential entry and exit points for trades across various assets. Begin by familiarizing yourself with the platform's interface and its extensive library of indicators. This foundational knowledge is crucial for developing effective trading strategies and making informed decisions. To maximize your earning potential, focus on developing a robust trading strategy. Many successful traders use a combination of technical indicators, such as the Relative Strength Index or moving averages, to confirm trends and reversals. TradingView also boasts a vibrant community where you can discover and implement custom scripts and strategies. Remember to backtest any new approach thoroughly to ensure its effectiveness before applying it to live trading. Effective risk management is paramount to long-term success in trading. Always define your stop loss and take profit levels before entering a trade to protect your capital. A common rule is to risk no more than 1% to 2% of your total trading capital on any single trade. Regularly review your past trades and analyze your performance to identify patterns and areas for improvement. A detailed trading journal can be an invaluable tool for this process. For those looking to advance further, delve into more complex chart patterns and volume analysis to gain a deeper understanding of market dynamics. Integrating TradingView with a compatible broker can streamline your trading process, allowing for quick execution directly from your charts. Remember, continuous learning is key in the ever-evolving world of trading. Also, be sure to check the description below for a link to some fantastic leak-proof meal prep containers and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.